You've heard it before, data is the currency of the 21st century global economy. Oil can build empires and gold is still gold, but whoever controls and harnesses data about who we are, our intentions, and purchase patterns are sitting on a digital mine that will never run out. So why is that? Well, data gives us a chance to understand the world around us and predict what will come next. Used correctly, we can understand a customer's need before it is articulated. We can stop heavy machinery from breaking down by scheduling maintenance before it happens. We can spot opportunities ahead of the competition. The question isn't where the data is, it's how to use it. Organizations today are producing more of it than ever, and the smart businesses are ensuring that they both capture it and leverage it to their advantage. This is done both through looking at the business's process to discover what data to use, and then making sure you have the software tools at your disposal to collect and compile it. With the IT landscape going from strength to strength, companies who have established IT infrastructures are faced with the challenge of understanding how they practically harness data. If they get it right, it can enable them to better serve their customers when it really matters, delivering at the moment of service, whilst also finding points of differentiation and operational efficiencies. But there are also other considerations, such as security. Security sometimes gets confused as an obstacle for openness and integration, but it really shouldn't. You should be able to map and understand the entire flow of your business without tripping over when two systems that you're using can't talk to each other just because of over-conservative APIs. Security simply needs to be intertwined in the exchange. There's huge value in having payroll talk to CRM and that supply chain talk to the maintenance systems to make sure that spare parts are sourced correctly. Connectivity is key. One single platform is panacea. My colleagues and I believe that the answer lies in the power of openness, the power of integrating systems and information, the power of connecting the world. That will give you an overview of the entire value chain you manage, regardless of which suppliers and systems are involved. In the end, your worst enemy are silos, where isolated information tells a story that's only one side of the coin, or worse, oversimplified. Integration between systems to enable the exchange of data and information is the remedy to get that helicopter perspective you need. It isn't technology that is stopping companies from opening up. It's about culture, curiosity before suspicion, transparency before silos. IFS can join the dots to make the richness of data available if companies make sure to instill a set of processes that embrace this approach to build an including and transparent culture. Today, APIs are more open than ever. Having them implemented based on standards like RESTful Low Data and secured by OpenID means that it's very easy to consume. The API is designed to be self-describing, which makes it machine-readable, and the API browser lets you find exactly what is exposed and how to use it. This can be hugely powerful for our customers. In the end, our goal is to empower you to effectively manage your customers, people, and assets so that you can deliver when it really matters to your customers at that moment of service. That is why IFS Cloud is the most connected, open, and integrated system we've ever built. It's a platform that lets you harness the data around you to better understand your business so that you be your best at those moments of service.